Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
I was looking for a new crossbody bag that would be small but hold everything I needed and would match everything. And I have found just that with this beautiful bag by Vilenca Holland. We'll look at it. That basket weave is so unique and so pretty, and this genuine leather is amazing. It's really pretty and is so unique. Even if you scratch it, it really just adds character to it. And the longer you have the purse, the more character and interest you have in it. I've worn it with dresses and dress slacks, but it's also really nice when we're just at the park. I can easily use it as a crossbody bag, and it is so easy to carry around even if I'm going down slides. The strap is adjustable, so it can be a shoulder purse, or you can have it like a crossbody, which I usually use it as. There's 4 really nice pockets for your cards, so I don't even carry a separate wallet for it. I just stick my cash in the pocket above those. There's 2 zipper pockets on this, and the zippers on all the pockets are so nice. They glide very easily and don't get stuck. I just can't get over how incredible this bag is. It's like the little details just really put it over the top and really show you the high quality this bag has. I am so thrilled to have this, and I really feel like it's just your everyday purse that matches everything, holds everything you need. It's perfect.
And that's my point of view.